How would you rule the whole world? Again, it's Landile here, the leader and this instructor of Manikwe School. And today we are about to dive into the 80th exercise. Okay, I haven't yet read it through. I'm about to though. Okay, we gotta write a program that asks the user for a number of seconds and prints out how many minutes and seconds that is. For instance, 200 seconds is 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, hint, use the operator to get minutes. Inside that, it's actually called integer division operator to get minutes and modulus operator to get seconds. Okay, let's do exactly that. First things first, I wanna have a variable to hold my total time in seconds. Okay, input, enter what number of seconds. Once I'm done entering number of seconds, the second step will then follow, which is to compute the number of minutes that are there. Minutes is equal to total time by 60. We want to divide it by 60, and then we want, for seconds, we want to go total time mode 60. Again, I'm hoping the math is clear to everyone. Come on, you guys. There are 60 seconds in a minute, and the minute is made up of what? There are 60 seconds in a minute. Yeah. So whatever the remainder will be is gonna be our seconds. Again, I am not good when it comes to explaining. I'm better when it comes to explaining by example rather than using a bunch of words. Seconds. Second. Oops, really? This is number 8. I know my convention haven't been great lately. I've been saving some files with names ending with C, some with B. I haven't been following my convention properly. Okay. So number of seconds, let's try something like 1.5. Really? Where did I mess up? Line 5. Oh, I missed an S there. Let's try it for a second time now. 1.5. So there are 25 minutes there and 0 seconds. Let's try 750. There are 12 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, that's gonna be it for this solution, you guys. Again, feel free to let me know in case you feel like I messed up somewhere, somehow. Cheers.